More stairs. Gotta be careful here now. Phew. Ooh. Look at all that stone. Oh gosh. Oh. There's nowhere to sit. There's Pilot Mountain. Let's see here. Right there. It is 11.4 miles. Probably can't see it on the phone. Mount Mitchell's 120 miles. That's way right around there somewhere. It's looking south. So Charlotte would be down that way. Winston-Salem is down there. Looking east. Greensboro. Walnut Cove. And over here, this is north. Bull Mountain, Virginia. Let's see, which one is that? Point. We're somewhere around over here. It probably ain't showing up, but look at the view. Better hold my phone. There's a crappy Chinese phone holder. Dropped it already once. We started out way down yonder somewhere. I don't even know where, oh, way down, oh gosh. All right. Let me see here. Is it even showing up? Let me see, where is it at on here? Oh, there it is. Where's my finger? Oh, too big. There's the inspection. Where do you check in there? Come on, focus, stupid. What the heck? There's the visitor center. Right there. We're parked over here. That's probably like 100 miles away. It seemed like it walking up here. There's the trail. And it just winds all the way down. We're probably a good, oh, I don't know, 5 miles from there. It seems like it. No idea. There's the west. Look at the bird flying. Am I catching him in there? I can't even see him on the phone. Oh, he's zipping away there. There's bees up here flying around. Buzz, 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 buzz. Get out of here. look at up north here. Isn't that beautiful? Get, dang it, just ran right into me. Oh, beautiful day up here.